sometimes I'll just find myself like scrolling Facebook like mindlessly, but I could have used that time to
wasting that time.
Specifically look up a YouTube video that pertains to something I'm either learning, growing in, or interested in, you know.
Yep.
I think it's very easy to waste so much time on the internet because there is so much out there. We were talking about this a little bit before we started rolling it, like there's so much entertainment out there just for entertainment's sake, and that's cool. That has its place in my life.
I like to laugh at night. Yeah.
Definitely love a good laugh.
Yeah.
But I do think it's important to take advantage of listening to meaningful content and content with substance and content that's gonna serve you as an individual. I listen to a lot of podcasts. I watch a lot of stuff.
Everybody
like
Lewis.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Because there's that's definitely something I try and encourage with whatever reach I have on the social medias.
Yep. Oh yeah. No, I see you with the
I try and
tweets and
encourage people, and especially young people, to seek out role models and learn from them.
Yeah.
Don't want to be them. Like, listen, my life's great. The Bahamas were great, right?
Good times.
Okay.
Still talking about it.
But I don't want any kid to confuse what I'm trying to teach with you wanting my life.
Yeah.
Don't want my life.
Yeah.
Just learn my stuff.
Yeah.
And how it pertains to your life. Like, that's how I feel. I've got a lot of role models. I got a lot of people. Like, I'm an actor, and there's plenty of people I know who are where I want to be in acting.
Yep.
That still doesn't mean I want their life.
Yeah.
Because we all have baggage. We all have stuff, and it's not better or worse. Like, I at least am familiar with my baggage. I don't want someone else's, even if they're farther ahead in acting where I want to be, and I'm like, I want to be there.
Yeah.
But I don't know what you've gone through. I don't know, like, I'm grateful for the path I'm on, and it's important not to confuse those things. I have lots of role models, but I don't want their life. I just want to learn what I can from them and apply it to my own situation and my own path.